My name's Anders Lasater, and we have a boutique architectural firm in Laguna Beach. Several clients have asked us to design unique commercial spaces for them, which have included art gallery spaces, boutique clothing stores, boutique hotels, and restaurants, including the Hall restaurant where we are here today.
My name is Ahmed Labat. I'm the CEO and business partner of the Vaca Restaurant Group.
My role at Lasater Architects as a project manager is managing people and the components that go into the designs.
Fundamental role of the architect is to design a safe place where people can be and conduct their business.
Every design aspect that we take into consideration goes back to accessibility, to safety, and to usability.
I think some of the trends we're starting to see in commercial design is an understanding and a leaning towards the value of tactile qualities, the quality of the materials, the colors and the patterns that those materials have, the ability for the architecture to give you a physical response.
For this particular location, the Hall, what inspired us is how can we bring a fast casual concept for people to experience good quality ingredients. We wanted to create something like European type food halls. We wanted also to combine it with a Middle Eastern Moroccan flair.
What better way to engage a customer than to give them access to the colors, textures, sense and smell, and taste of the culture those foods come from than immersing them in that environment. The tactile quality of a space is what really, I think, connects the human to it.
When we have to consider an outdoor space in a commercial context, one of the main components that we have to take into consideration is user comfort.
Who doesn't want to be outdoor? It's beautiful with these olive trees, good food, good company, and the heaters definitely help.
We work really closely with all of the consultants, with the electrical engineer, with the structural engineer, with our designer to make these armatures here in this patio. These heating elements, they actually allow users year-round to utilize this patio and enjoy this beautiful outdoor concept.
You don't pay rent on the outdoor seating. The guests love them because they are out of the way and they work efficiently. The staff, they love them even more because they don't have to haul anything.
Outside, we wanted to imply the ceiling with the armature that holds the heater, that holds the lantern, that then combines with the arching canopy of the olive trees to imply a ceiling, to give a sense of structure and shelter and comfort to the user.
We have on the other restaurant, we have those propane. First of all, they are a liability because the insurance gives you a hard time. Sometimes you're in the middle of service and the propane is out, and you cannot really store propane indoors. It's very, very frustrating for the staff and for the management.
Outdoor heating was necessary because the restaurant understood if you couldn't provide that level of comfort, you weren't going to have your client stay for very long.
The more comfortable you are, the longer you stay in.
Heating out here was really the life or death of the restaurant.
If we didn't have these, we probably have half of the tables that we have here because we have to have those portable heaters.
We chose Infratech because it comes highly recommended. The design aesthetics of these heating elements in both of the applications that we had to install them, in the suspended application on the armatures, where we chose to use the slimline, and then we also installed them in a ceiling soffit where they were recessed, and we chose the WD series, which had higher wattage.
The guests really love these types of heaters because they're out of the way and they still feel the warmth.
Here at the Hall, we decided to go with the solid-state control package for the Infratech heaters, which allowed us to remotely control them out of sight. We installed a timer, so at the end of the night, in case somebody forgets, they get shut down automatically. It all turned out beautifully.
It's a breeze. It's on timer, nothing to haul. Now you're saving on labor. You're not having people stay too long because you have 12 or 14 heaters that you have to move around.
You learn over time how to make your customer experience more focused, more comfortable, and the Infratech heater was a no-brainer.
Overall, we love working with Infratech because they just have fantastic customer service.
I can tell you these heaters in here really helped us secure and also be confident with the guests when they make a reservation. We were very confident to tell people that, you are going to be comfortable. They're efficient, easy to use, and they will definitely be part of any project we do in the future for sure. Overall, in the long term, you are saving a lot of money and a lot of headaches.